Now, all these things is not going to be clear to you because it's in my head. We are going to use masking to remove the areas that are not supposed to be seen when the cloth is really moving through. You understand? Like here now, you see, there was a lot going on here, but some of all these areas, the cloth passed through the back. You understand? So with the areas where I wanted to pass through the front, it passed, but there were places where I maxed that you cannot be showing. It did not show, so it becomes realistic. So now, first of all, the challenge we have here is that you see this, our font, it has hollow in between. So you must not deceive us. You must be very realistic. If truly something is passing through something behind, and there is just like this fan, it has a lot of this thing, it's like basket. I can see through it. I can see the wall, and you cannot. You really need to be realistic with the drawing. So let's start with this cloth first. We said that this cloth is coming from behind with the T. So it means that this cloth has to be behind T. So this is the first cloth, cloth 1. Let me name all of them. This cloth 2, and this cloth 3, cloth 3, this cloth 4, this cloth 5. If you want to be renaming, going back up, tab, shift and tab, you'll be renaming up. Tab, you'll be renaming down. Just tab alone. That's cloth 5, and that's cloth 6. I hope so. Yeah, that's cloth 6. So cloth 1 needs to be behind the T. So we bring it down this layer. See it? It cannot be above. So because cloth 2, when cloth 1 goes behind, cloth 2 will come through over it. So cloth 2 is okay above. You understand? But we really need to work on these two. I know I'm going to have issues with that. So since it's going to come above, it means that this guy has to meet this guy somewhere. So we need another layer here. That will become another cloth now. Okay, so let's just put it directly above. So take the pen to, from this point, we meet this point. Do you remember that box that we used to draw? We draw 2 squares. One will stay here, one will stay here.
Yes.
Then you now cross the and make a box. That's exactly what we are doing now. So sorry, I'll break it there. So we have succeeded in doing this 1 and 2. We have solved this 2 now. Now let's look at cloth 3. Since, okay, that's not cloth 3, and that's cloth 2. Let's call this one cloth 1 to 2 to tell us that that's where the one bridge. So this one will go behind the T 2. Cloth 2 will go behind the T because you cannot have 2 cloths going behind. Then let's also remember that this same cloth 2 will come above, or should we make it? We should make it go behind, since it's already behind the T, because this one has come, squeezed in, go through, and so now it has gone through. Then it has to come over, just like we did this one. It has to come over. B, or should it? No, it shouldn't come over. So here's the challenge. I want this one will come over. Okay, if it comes over, it squeezes in and come out here. Let's bring it back above. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to mask.
Okay.
So we'll create a mask then and select the T. I told you before that if you want to make selection of a particular object, you just hold and control and click on it. So you make selection of the bots.
Okay.
So with this layer of this particular cloth too, what we are trying to do here is to make the cloth go behind, meaning anywhere that we have the green color, the cloth cannot be on top. The cloth can only be behind.
Okay.
Are you getting now? So we'll take our brush to B, reduce the size to any size.
Control.
No, not control, that bracket.
Okay.
That bracket. Right click, you can also reduce the size. But I don't want any softness, so I take it to hardness, press enter to commit my changes. Check opacity 100%, flow 100%, everything is okay. So you clean. We are removing, you understand? Black, we're painting with black, so we clean it off. So you can see it there already. If you hold down Alt and click, you see we have cleaned that part. So we clean also here. So that thing that we lowered it down by layer, we have done it with mask. You understand? But now it's sitting above now. So now the same thing we go for this. Okay, this one is directly above. It's directly above, so I think it makes sense. Yeah, so this one has been solved. Let me see, is this one directly above? Okay, it looks solved too. Looks solved. But we want this one to go behind the B. So we're going to mask. We're going to create a mask. So we'll create a mask, and we do the selection, direct selection thing again. Hold down Control, click on B, and take our brush to clean this part because we want it to go behind. Press Control D to deselect. Okay, so let's check our cloth 5. Is cloth 5 okay? Okay, cloth 5 goes, this one comes through, come out here. So it means that this guy, we have to mask this guy because it has to go behind. Can we just send it behind? Let's see if it will work. It worked.
Yeah.
It worked. So we don't need to mask. Okay. It's not every one of them you have to mask. Okay.